Ever watched a long YouTube video or gone through a PDF or document and then spent hours turning it into a presentation? Well, there's a much better way now. With NotebookLM, you can turn any YouTube video, PDF, document, or any other source into a fully designed presentation in under 2 minutes. Completely free. Let's get into it. Go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you are inside, click on Create New. NotebookLM will now ask you to upload your resources. You can add a PDF, a Google Doc, copied text, or a YouTube video link. Today, we are pasting a YouTube video link. The video is called What Can AI Teach Us About Humanity by Google. Go to the video on YouTube, right-click on the link in the address bar, and copy it. Come back to NotebookLM, paste the link in the source box, and press Enter. NotebookLM will read and process the entire video in just a few seconds. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a slide deck option. Do not click on it directly. Instead, click on the arrow icon next to it. This will open the Customized Slide Deck window. Inside the Customized Slide Deck window, you will see two format options. Detailed deck is for personal use when you want to study the content yourself. Presenter slides is for when you want to explain something to others or give a presentation. We are going with presenter slides for this example so we can quickly generate and see the output. You'll also see a language option. Our video is in English, but you can change the output to any language you want. For this example, we'll keep it in English. For the length option, select short so we can quickly see the results. Now you'll see a box that says describe the slide deck you want to create. This is where you tell NotebookLM exactly what kind of presentation you want. I'll put the full prompt we are using in the description so you can copy it directly. Paste it in the describe box and click generate. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes and your presentation will be ready. Once it is done, click on your presentation to open it, go full screen to get the best view, or click on expand the viewer to see an expanded view. NotebookLM creates fully designed slides with proper headings, key points, and a clean professional layout. Honestly, it does not look like AI made it at all. If you want to make any changes, click the revise button. Type a prompt describing what you want to change, like the color combination, a specific slide, the illustration, or anything else. It will update that specific thing for you. Once you're happy, you have few options. Click the 3 dots or any slide to download it as a PowerPoint file and edit it further, or download it directly as a PDF. To share it, click on the share button. And if you want to present directly inside NotebookLM, click Start Slideshow. No other software needed. And that's it! A fully designed professional presentation from a YouTube video in under 2 minutes. Completely free, no more spending hours on notes, translations, or slide design. What kind of content are you going to turn into a presentation first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Take care.